This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. Stunning custom ranch on wooded lot in highly sought after Mathews Green. Open floor plan featuring gourmet kitchen with granite and stainless steel appliances, stone fireplace, jacuzzi tub and master bathroom, custom master bedroom closet system, large laundry room with sink, huge covered porch facing private, wooded lot, detached garage, and so much more. Won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-821-1130.